We're here at Satellite 2020, and we're at one of my favorite booths. It's the Intellian booth. Intellian's from South Korea, so we're really happy to see them here. And really also happy because they got some new equipment for us to use. So Inmarsat is a network that we've been using since 2006, 2007, 2008. FleetBroadband fully launched in 2009. That's a global broadband network. Broadband in 2008 terms, meaning 200 to 300 kilobits a second is the speeds you get. But that's well enough for emails, WhatsApp, logging into different bank accounts or online websites to order supplies for your vessel. So this product's aimed at boats from all sizes. This is what we call a FleetBroadband 250. 250 because its speeds are pretty much 284 kilobits a second. So we round it down to 250 kilobits a second, which is pretty much gonna work for any IP application that you open up on your iPhone or your tablets. You can probably support a small group of users of about 5 to 8 on a boat with some smart routing technology. So what Intellian has done is build some of that smart routing into the device. One of the cool things they built with this antenna is you have a WAN port here on the back, and that allows you to connect another connection. So the WAN port could be going to a KVH, it could be going to a VSAT, it could be going to, now we have these cellular adapters that you have Ethernet out, you know, like a little modem, so you can plug that in, and now you have a cellular satellite connectivity for your boat all in one. Really nice, Wi-Fi built in. You get 4 ports, and some of these are power over Ethernet ports. I think 2 of them might be power over Ethernet ports, I could be wrong. But you simply connect your antenna right here to the terminal, power it on, and just like Elon Musk said yesterday about SpaceX, all you gotta do is plug it on, plug it in, and put it outside. It's the same thing with this type of equipment. Connect it, power it on, and you're gonna get an internet connection just about anywhere between 70 degrees north and 70 degrees south of the equator. So exciting new product coming out from Intellian, and this is called the FleetBroadband 250. Just to give you a couple specs while we're at it, is your antenna weight is, let's see here, 11 pounds on the antenna, 7.7 pounds on the below deck. So this is even something you'll probably see us at whenever communications taking and putting into one little package and shipping off for a carry-on board internet carry-off. A lot of our customers want to walk on board a vessel and then walk back off it a week later and have their own connectivity, and this is definitely going to fall into that solution. Some other specs of the terminal is it's got RJ45, so 2 of those ports on the back are PoE ports. The other 2 are not. You also get 1 RJ14 port, and that's going to be for a standard telephone, so you can plug in a standard telephone. Additionally, you can do up to 16 iPhones on this, and what that does is it allows each one of those iPhones or Androids to get a VoIP or a SIP extension. So if you want to call the captain and you're in the mess hall or the aft cabin, you're just going to put in the extension and call, and this is acting as a digital onboard VoIP system. So it brings that to the vessel as well as onboard VoIP connectivity as long as you got Wi-Fi. So another neat feature of this device. Additionally, one of the cool things that it has built in is, I don't know if I've already said this, is these Gpio ports. And this, if you get right around the back side here, those ports there allow you to connect things like sensors or output certain stuff like GPS to other equipment. So really a world of possibility, especially for tugs, tankers, commercial vessels that want to pull fuel levels and many other different types of data off the boat for real-time analysis back shoreside. So exciting new product coming out from Intellian.